Hey everyone, first of all, thank you for watching this video. So if you're someone who was not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do. And with that being said, we are starting off a business analyst course very soon. So interested candidates can call this number for course enrollment. So with that being said, so today we have Sandhya. So she's one of my course enroller, and we are going to have a role play session, okay, on requirement gathering, like how exactly BA does in work environment, how they gathers requirement from the stakeholder. We are going to have a role play. So definitely this video will be useful, especially who are aspiring to be business analyst. And yeah, so first of all, I would like to provide you a overview of the requirement. So the requirement is basically the patient registration. So the patient registration here, the patient registration, this tab basically used by the receptionist in the hospitals. Okay, from their point of view, we need to provide the requirement. So in the patient registration, we actually we need the full name, date of birth, age, gender, contact number, address, government ID proof, and emergency contact number, relationship to patient, insurance provider, insurance policy number, and there should be a button called generate UHID. So when a user click on this, a unique UHID will be created for this patient. So this is the requirement. So now exactly how BA does in work environment, we are going to have a role play session. So definitely it will be useful, and stay tuned for the complete video to watch. Okay, so yeah, hi Sandhya.
Yeah, hi, Shailesh.
So so actually I have a requirement to provide you. So the requirement is, first of all, in our application, we were wanted to include a registration tab. Okay, so in that registration tab, we actually wanted to include the details of the patient. Okay, and like the full name, last name. Okay, and the address and the country code and the insurance number, insurance policy number. So yeah, so this is a requirement basically. So once everything is updated, all these fields by the receptionist, there should be a button called generate UHIN. So this generate UHIN means it should be a unique number. So when a user clicks on this generate UHID number, a unique ID should be created. A unique ID will be created for the patient. So this is my requirement, Sandhya.
Okay, sir. So, what should be the title of the screen? I mean, it should be patient registration.
Very good. So yes, correct. So as soon as once user lands into the patient registration tab, the user should be visible a name called patient registration. Okay. I want on top to reflect the name or title as patient registration, so that the user will be aware. Okay. Very good. Thank you.
Okay. And then, so for name field, should we include the first name and last name separate fields, or can we include a full name field?
Yeah, very good question, Sandhya. So actually, we were wanted to include only name. Okay, full name. So in that full name, the user should include both surname and the last name. Okay, so we are going with only
Okay.
one field, one box only, not a different first name or last name. Okay.
Okay. Then we will also include the patient contact number, right?
Yes, you're correct. So we actually wanted to include contact number as well. Yes, contact number, yes. And this contact number we were wanting to include mandatory. So that means when user sees this contact number field, there should be a hashtag. Okay, there should be a hashtag reflecting for this mobile number field. Okay.
Mm, okay. So for the mobile number field, can we allow only numeric values as it will capture only the number? So we will not allow any special characters or
Uh-huh.
alphabets in that field. Will that be okay?
Yeah, that's good question. So actually, we were wanting to go with only numerical values only, no more alphabets. So when user tries to enter the the alphabetical letters, the system should restrict. That means it should not allow. Only the user should enter the numerical values, which includes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only those values only. Okay.
Okay. So we'll show a validation there
Yes.
if user tries to enter any
Correct.
values other
Correct.
than numeric.
Correct.
Yeah. And then we have a date of birth field, right? So
Yes.
in that case also we should allow only numbers.
Yes. So this date of birth, I actually want to have a user a calendar tool pick. That means when a user clicks on a date of birth, I mean when user tries to enter the date of birth, so there should be a calendar symbol. Okay, there should be a calendar symbol. When user clicks on that calendar symbol, it should visible to the user regarding the dates of previous years. Okay.
Okay, then we will show a date picker there.
Yeah, correct. date picker,
Okay,
yes.
then we have a age field. So even there, we should allow only numeric values, right?
So actually, when user clicks this, sorry, when user selects the date of birth, this age field should automatically add the date here in this field. For example, when user selects the date of birth, let's assume that
Okay,
2000.
based on the current year, it should
Yes, based
automate
on
the
the date
age
of
of
birth,
the patient.
that should
Yeah.
the age should be reflected here. For example, if user date of birth was 2000, so automatically since we are 2026, the age should reflect either 25 or 26, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for the contact number, just now I have one doubt.
Mm-hmm.
So here, as it is only numeric values, I think we should allow plus special character plus there. So for country codes, we will be having 91 plus for India, right?
Correct.
So
You're
in that
correct.
case, we should allow only plus. Yeah.
Correct. So,
In
Samya,
special
very good
characters, we
question.
will only.
Mhm. Yeah, very good question. So the country codes we were trying to incorporate 20 various countries codes. Okay, but for now we were finalized only the 5 country codes in which like USA, Netherlands, okay, Kenya, and Singapore, and Malaysia and Russia. So these country codes we
Okay.
were wanted to see in the mobile number country codes. For now we were finalized only 7, but moving forward we were planning to include another 13 more. So that means 20 country codes we were having idea because this application is going to be widely launched by different countries. So yeah, considering that we were planning to include 20 country codes. For now, we were finalized the 7 different country codes. Okay. So I'll be sharing you the list of country codes shortly over the mail. Okay.
Yeah. So in the insurance provider field, the patient must be able to enter their spouse, parents, or siblings' names, right?
Correct. You're correct.
Uh,
Yes. So we were wanting to include only the 5 categories, like those should be belongs to the patient family only. For example, siblings, wife, mother, okay, father. Okay, so these are the only, it should be related to the patient's family. So for example, friends, okay, and cousins. So these people we were not allowing to include their names. Okay,
okay. And beside that field, we also include a contact number of their family members, right? Any of the family member.
correct, you're correct. So one of the family member name to be updated in the registration tab. So for example, if patient family members, uh, the patient was provided brother, okay. So the brother contact number should be updated, only the brother contact number. So for example, here if it is brother and in the contact number, if they were updated mother, so we were not supposed to accept that. So here the system should show the a indication message to the user while they are entering. Okay. Okay. So it should be like please enter uh, the relationship. Please enter the contact number only the relationship member. Okay. Something like that. I want a indicating message to should be shown to the user. Okay.
Okay. So we will show a field level validation there
Correct.
in such
Correct.
case.
Yes.
Okay. And next we have a gender field.
Mm-hmm.
So here should we implement a drop down or just a text input field? So in drop down
Actually,
we'll
uh-huh.
have a female, male, and others. Will that be
Yeah.
okay?
Mhm. Yeah, that's a good question. But actually, we were wanting to include the radio button, okay? So in which we want male, female, and others. So here, the user should have an option to select only one option, no more multiple option. Okay, so it should be drop down. Sorry, radio button.
Radio button. Yeah.
Yeah, only one button should be selected by the user. No more multiple.
Okay. Okay. And here we have a insurance policy number.
Mm-hmm.
And that field which should be also a numeric field, right? There we should not allow any alphabets or any special
Correct,
characters in the field.
correct, correct. So usually, the insurance number. You're asking about the insurance number, right? Hello.
Yes, insurance
So
policy number.
yeah, usually insurance policy number will be having only 13 letters, sorry, 13 digits. Okay, so like you are asking me, the system should only accept digits, okay, numeric digits, and every policy number will contains 13 digits only, not more than that. So here also we
Okay.
can have a validation rule. For example, if user surpassing in entering the more than 13 digits, the system should prevent the user to enter, and it should
Okay,
also
then we
indicate a
will show a
message.
validation. Yeah, then we will show a T-level validation like the character limit is 13. Will that be okay?
Yes, a indicative message should be appear to the user when they are exceeding more than entering 13 digits. Okay, so the message
Okay,
should be uh, you are exceeded 13 digits. Please enter the appropriate policy number. Something like that I want to be displayed.
sure.
Mhm.
And then we have address field. So
Yeah,
it should be text area, right?
yeah.
I mean,
Address
the
should
user should be
allow.
able to
Very good. Yes.
special
So yeah,
characters
uh, correct. You're correct. So address should allow
slash
the
hyphen.
different kind of values. For example, it should allow numeric. It should allow text field. It should allow special characters. Okay. So yeah, because why I specifically mentioning means because the user will have a door number like 1/3/599B. So this includes special character also, right? Slash at the
Yes,
rate and text field also. In case, for example, if they're staying in the so in location, they need to add they need to update the location in the text letters only. And yeah, so that's the reason we were wanting to have this address field in a combination which includes numerical values and text and special characters. So these are my criteria. Okay. So and this
okay,
address field should have only 100 characters to accommodate, not more than that.
okay. It should
Only 100.
accept only 100 characters. If it
Yes.
exceeds, we'll show the character limit is 100.
Very good. Yes, correct.
Then we have government ID, Aadhaar, passport.
Mhm. Yeah,
So,
actually, if it
could
is
you
for
please explain that field?
yes,
How it
very good.
works for
Mhm.
US other than India?
Yes, very good. So since our main client is located and wanting to launch this project in the USA company, so USA will follow basically the different mandatory government IDs. So in our case, we want state issue ID card. Okay, so basically state issued ID card should be a field. I mean, first of all, a field should be there. Okay, for the user to enter. Like the field name should be government ID card. So here, the system should only accept state issue ID card. I mean, there should be a drop down. Okay, basically, okay, when users select this government ID card, a drop down should open. So in which it should have a state issue ID card and US passport. Okay, and uh, green card and security guard security card. So yeah, all these basically the option should be there. So when user is it completely depends on the user. Okay, so which one they were wanted to consider, so they will be proceeding with this. Okay, so only one should be accepted, not more than that. Only one government ID can be accepted, not multiple. Okay, so yeah. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys. So thank you. So this is all about the requirement gathering. So in the real time also, this is how the exactly the BA does gathering the requirement from the stakeholder. So I hope the video you found useful. So if you're someone who was not subscribed, please do subscribe and please do join business analyst course. Only we are providing only real time guys, real time business analyst course. Okay, this is how the real time exactly BA does in the work environment. So to know more details about the business analyst course, please contact us. Okay, thank you and stay tuned.